Second floor. MCPEI. Yeah. Is that right? They locked us out. They locked us out. They locked us out at 2.
Is that right?
Oh, some big time investigation now. How can you get on second floor?
What's that?
How do you get on second floor?
You might have to give him a call. I'm not sure if there's anybody there right now.
Oh, that's going to be interesting on YouTube.
Yeah.
The phone call.
Yeah, they usually.
Because I got there the first time and then they blocked me the second time. I got proof of that on the
Oh yeah.
on the camera.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I'm not sure. Sometimes the receptionist steps out for a bit if she's running out to pick up stuff. So.
She's not in today.
Yeah. She might just not be there right now. She's grabbing supplies or something.
Is she getting paid?
Oh yeah. Well yeah. I think most people.
She's not at work.
Yeah. No, I would say that if she's not there right now, she's probably just out picking up supplies for the office and stuff like that. Like paper.
And what's her name? The receptionist at the front desk there?
I think it's Ruthie.
Ruthie.
I don't know the last name.
Okay, we'll find that out.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
We're gonna have to do an audit.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah.
All right. It was good to meet you, man.
Good to meet you.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, nice building.
Yeah. It's
We might have to sell it. I don't know.
Yeah. I know, yeah. That's right.
We'll see.
Yeah,
we'll see in the future.
Yeah, sounds good. You take care, man.
You too. Well, there we go, folks. See how that works? Second floor, they locked her down, boys.